Today we're going to show you guys the quickest, the easiest, and the safest way how to remove road salt from the surface of your vehicle. Let's get started. For those of you guys who don't know what road salt is or what it does, road salt is laid on the roads and its purpose is to help prevent the chance of ice and snow buildup on the road. Now that salt can actually penetrate the metals on your undercarriage, causing permanent damage like rust as well as on your paintwork. So now that we've shown you guys what road salt is and what it does, now let's show you guys how to remove it. I know what you guys may be thinking, just a simple wash and you're good to go. Wrong, check this out. Just imagine, you grab a wash mitt, you start wiping down your car, you're gonna cause some permanent damage because of those abrasive particles like that salt, causing damage like scratches and swirls to your paintwork. All right guys, so before we get into any kind of washing, first we're gonna start off by decontaminating the surface with a product like our Decon Iron Remover. Decon Iron Remover is a specialty cleaner that decontaminates the surface from ferrous metals, brake dust, and rail dust. So we're going to use this as a pre-clean treatment by simply spraying it onto the surface, allowing about 3 to 5 minutes for it to dwell on the surface, giving it time to break down any kind of contaminants, and then we're going to rinse it off. All right guys, so we just finished rinsing off the Decon from the surface of the paint. Now it's time to get into the foam pre-wash. So right here in front of me, I have everything that I need to give my car a foam pre-wash with the foam cannon, and the choice of soap that we're going to be using today is actually going to be our citrus washing gloss. Now the reason we're using citrus washing gloss is because this is a citrus-based car wash soap that's going to do an incredible job at breaking down heavy dirt, grime, and gunk sitting on the surface of your paint. So this is going to be the perfect car wash soap to go with, especially in the case like this. So we're going to grab our dirt traps, we're going to dunk them into our buckets, and then we're going to add about 1 to 2 ounces of citrus washing gloss into one of the buckets, and then we're going to go ahead and move on to filling up our Torque Big Mouth foam cannon with some citrus washing gloss. Same thing, fill it up with about 1 to 2 ounces, whatever you prefer, and then we're going to go ahead and start foaming up the car. Now the reason that we're doing this in the first place is because we want that foam to uplift as much dirt, grime, and that salt as possible from the surface. That way whenever we go with their contact wash with their wash mitt, we don't scratch it up and we have the safest wipe ever. Just finished foaming, now we wait. All right, so it's been long enough. Now it's time to rinse off the foam. All right guys, so we just finished rinsing off the soap. Now it's time to get into our contact wash with our wash mitt. So we're gonna grab our wash mitt, we're gonna grab some suds, and then we're just gonna start wiping it down to ensure it's 100% fully clean. Now that you're all done with your contact wash, simply rinse it off once again, dry it, and you're all done. So we just finished cleaning the affected area from the road salt. Obviously the rest of the vehicle is still super dirty, but hey, we're not gonna bore you with that. I know you guys have seen 1,000 car wash montages here on our channel, so we're just gonna go ahead and end it right here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you guys want to pick up any of the products that we showed on today's video, you can pick them up on our website, 𝘃𝗵𝗿𝗄.com, or at your local detail garage store. As always, my name is Joey, this is 𝘃𝗵𝗿𝗄. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.